Hey there, can you help me memorize French vocabs? Vanessa. Hey Vanessa, we appreciate your question. And yes, we can. Dear viewer, is it difficult for you to remember new words as well? Would you like to learn French vocabulary quickly using expert strategies? If you answered yes, then watch this video to learn some 7 useful strategies for remembering French vocab. Let's get into it. Learn French with audio. Many students have trouble learning French vocabulary. They can, however, readily remember French songs since, as everyone knows, learning a song is much easier than memorizing a dictionary. As a result, the first method for learning French is to study French with audio. You can easily access various audios and playlists on the internet. During the practice, you can also record your voice and listen to it later. Select the best time to concentrate on memorizing. When learning something new, time is very important. It is difficult to learn and retain new French terms at any moment. As a result, you must choose the optimal time for learning. Individuals learn in different ways. Some pupils learn better in the morning, while others learn better at night. This is a fact about yourself that only you are aware of. As a result, choose the most convenient time for you to learn French. 3. Incorporate it into your daily routine. Don't try to learn everything at once. Instead, focus on learning the most useful words first. Once you've learned the most fundamental words, you can use French movies and videos to learn the rest of the language. The secret to quickly learning vocabulary is to study and practice and interact in the language on a regular basis. It does have to be for an extended period of time. Even a few minutes per day can make a significant difference in your ability to remember the words you learn. It is not as beneficial to study vocabulary on an irregular basis because you may forget the terms if you do not review them frequently and consistently. 4. Know your cognates. This strategy can help you learn French quickly. Create a list of French/English cognates. And for those who don't know, cognates are words that sound the same and share the same meaning in both languages. Once you've gathered and identified some cognates, write them down on a sheet of paper and divide them into 2 columns, French and English. Fold the sheet of paper and quiz yourself with them. You will be able to recall French words quickly and remember them for a long time with this strategy. 5. Repetition is key. Consistency and repetition are critical factors to consider when learning French vocabulary quickly. Your brain will remember new French words in its short-term memory if you take the time to learn them. Only by repeating them again and over will you be able to store them in your long-term memory. Daily learning of 15 to 20 minutes is preferable to 2 hours of continuous study. It will keep you interested in studying and your mind will have the energy to repeat old terms. Is this content useful to you so far? Make sure to hit the like button. Get to the roots. This is another effective method for quickly learning French vocabulary. This is how the technique works. Around the same time, memorize words that have the same root. You can learn écrivain and l'écriture. These terms have a lot in common with the root word écrire. You will be able to learn not only the words, but also their meaning in this manner. 7. Make associations. When studying French vocabulary, associations might assist you in remembering new terms. Make associations between French and English words that you are familiar with. The French word vin, which means wine, sounds similar to the English word vin, like van. As a result, you can make a connection between these two similar words. Do you have a French question you would like us to answer? Write your question in the comment section down below. We're looking forward to seeing them. À tout à l'heure!